Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In this video, we'll see how to install MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. To install all these softwares in your local systems, first of all, you have to go to your Chrome web browser or default web browser, what you are choosing. In this case, I am choosing my Google Chrome. In this search bar, I am typing MySQL download over here and just press enter. After pressing enter, we'll direct it to a new web pages. Here we will get different types of links over here. Just click on MySQL downloads. After clicking on MySQL downloads, you are directed to download pages of MySQL server. In this page, just go down of this web page. Here we will get that. Just click on that MySQL community GPL download. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you are directed to MySQL community downloads. In these downloads, we have different types of connectors or SQL routers or operators or shells or different types of communities of installers have been there. Then we will go with MySQL installer for Windows over here. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you are directed to a new page of MySQL installer over here. The different you will get two types of installer over here. One is 2.4 MB download and 331.3 MB download. The meaning of this is that you are installing total packages in a particular installer, and this is a tip of installer where you have to install all the installments from the internet. My suggestion is to go with this 331.3 mbps. It install all the necessary packages and installers of MySQL server. Just click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download over here. You can see that the download have been started. Let's wait for a few minutes so that the download can be downloaded, so MySQL installer can be downloaded in your local systems. Now you can see that the download have been completed. Just click on show in folders. Just double click on this file. It takes a few seconds to integrate into your systems. Yes, that you can see that. Please wait while Windows configuration MySQL installer in your local systems. You have been appeared a a black color screen in front of you. This is the indication of that your system have been integrated. If you want to install such type of devices in your systems, press yes or no. I will choose yes. Okay, then after choosing yes, it starts downloading everything into my systems. Again, it asking for verifications. Then I will go with yes, and next the installer have been installed in your system local systems. Then here is the tricky part over here. Now we want to install all the three softwares into our local systems. We have to choose full version or custom version. In this system we'll choose custom version, so that we have to know that what are the installers we are going to install in our local system. Just go for custom version. Just click on that or mark on that checkbox. Click on next over here. Here is the tricky part over here. You want to install all the three softwares in your local systems. For that we have to, this is available product and the product have to be installed in our local systems. We have to click on this plus box over here. Then it appears MySQL server here. Click on that, then click on MySQL server 8.0. click on this one. Then you will get that the arrow mark is turned into green color. Just click on that, so that you can, this is the form of drag and drop over here. So you have selected MySQL server into local systems. Then repeat the same following for the remaining two of this. Click on MySQL workbench and click on that, and just click on arrow over there. You are selected of this. Then click on MySQL shell. Click on MySQL shell 8.0, click on MySQL shell and click on this one. After clicking, so we are good to go with all three websites, all three installer over here. Just click on next. Here is the cache of the thing, the data directory 3.0. I'm just changing the server name. You can be you can use as default as you can. Just click on next over here. Here is the tricky part. Just click on execute, so the requirement installers will be downloaded in your local systems. See that the requirement systems are being downloading. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. The requirement installer get downloaded into your local systems. Now we have downloaded MySQL servers, and MySQL workbench is going to be downloaded. Then we have pending of MySQL shell over here. Yes, so MySQL shell have been downloaded. MySQL installer will automatically download all the requirement files in your local systems. It all configures all the required installers in your local systems. We wait for a few more minutes. Let all the downloads be finished. Yes, the 3 installers have been successfully installed. Just click on next. Yes, ready to configure. Your MySQL server ready to configure. Just click on next. This is a developer option. You're porting of this type of integrity. Just click on next over here. Don't click anything of this. Just click on next. Caution, use strong password in encrypted recommended. Okay, fine. Just click on next. Here is the root password, so please give your root password, strong password. Please save your password in a preferred location so that you can access your MySQL workbench whenever you are required, right? In this case I am giving my my password, strong password over here. Just repeat the password once again. Just click on next. This is the standard configurations of the local systems. Just click on next over here. Yes, I full access. I want full access of MySQL servers over here. Just click on next. Just click on execute over here. Then the following requirement installers are going to execute and install your local systems. It takes 2 to 3 minutes depend upon the servers. Yes, just click on finish. After clicking on finish, you are driving into product configurations. This is my product configuration. What is that product configuration? MySQL server 8.0.34 version. Just click on next. Then we have already successfully installed the installation have been completed. Just click on finish over here. Then we have successfully installed the MySQL servers, MySQL workbench and MySQL shells in our local systems. And this is the integrated MySQL shell or shell script. Just close it. Just double click on this. Then you will direct it to the MySQL installer. Oh yeah, we can perform the queries over here. Just let me select. Let me write a query. Show databases. Just select this one and run over here. So these are the databases which are available in our local systems. In this way we can install MySQL server, MySQL workbench and MySQL shell in our local systems. Thank you. Have a great day.